Hi, in this video tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to use BoxSync. Briefly, BoxSync is a productivity software that allows users to view and access files that are stored online through the Box website on their own personal desktop. So traditionally, when you want to access files, you have to go online, but BoxSync allows you to actually get these files and treat them as if they are stored on your personal desktop. Also, uniquely, you will be able to add files through this without having to go online. So let's demo how to actually download this and use it. The process of installing the BoxSync application is very similar to that for other desktop applications that you might already be using. So first search BoxSync, it should be the first hit, and scroll down and install the proper driver for whatever device you're using. I have a Mac device, so I'll go ahead and open up this file. I'm going to fast forward through the installation process. It's fairly standard. The first time you open up BoxSync, it's going to ask you to log in. So this is my email address tied to my Box account. And since it's an institutional account, Box account, it's prompting me to use my institution's login. And so now it's scanning my personal Box account and it says it's synced. And now up in your toolbar, you should have a B, a small b, that stands for Box Synced, which is now going to be fully integrated with all your other folders. However, you can see that there are no files actually in my BoxSync folder, despite there being files and folders in my Box Online account. So you just have to do one other step to actually get these files and folders syncing across devices. So if you click More Options, then under that there are more actions and you can click Sync. You need to do this for each of the files and folders that you actually want to be shared on your desktop. And you can see here that this says the item is now synced. Up in my toolbar, the files are syncing. It gives me an estimated amount of time before they're all in there. And now if I open up the Box folder, I actually have files and such coming through and can now access and open them in the same way as if they were a file saved otherwise on my desktop. So that is the tutorial for how to use BoxSync. This will stay up to date. It will pull data very regularly and make sure that any file that you drop into this folder through your desktop or that is changed in the online account will be reflected here in real time.